Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you simple but elegant home decor DIYs using inexpensive items like these 9-inch metal framed mirrors that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. For idea number 1, I'm using 3 of the mirrors in the color black. I removed the metal rings from 2 of the mirrors before attaching all 3 with a strong adhesive, hot glue, and craft sticks. I then flipped my design over and added mirrored butterflies, also from Dollar Tree. I chose butterflies because they are often considered lucky. They are associated with good fortune, joy, and positive change. All of the things I'm looking forward to in 2025. This design is super lightweight, clean, and simple, and here's how idea number 1 turned out. For idea number 2, I'm using a paint pen to change the black metal to gold. While that paint dried, I glued 4 4.5-inch Dollar Tree mirrors to 1/2-inch foam board. Before I glued the mirrors down, I marked the center, and I'll show you why I did this a little later on in the video. I'm also going to double the foam board. Next, I'm adding Dollar Tree LED lights. If you decide to replicate this project, just keep in mind that these are very subtle lights, so if you want something brighter, just purchase different lights. To cover my foam sides, I'm using Dollar Tree disco towels. Before I added my mirror, I noticed that I could see the LED lights through the mirror, which I didn't want. So here I'm painting the back of the mirror black. Next, I painted the wires with that same black paint. I then added these leftover mirrored towels that I already had at home. I'm using the mirrored towels to slightly lift the center mirror so that more of the light will shine through. To complete the project, I added a second coat of the gold paint, cleaned my mirrors, and here's how idea number 2 turned out. These wall sconces are very modern and I absolutely love them. You can make as many of these as you need to add subtle lighting to any dark space. For idea number 3, I used 9 of the mirrors to make this beautiful LED flower wall mirror, and I'll share those details with you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!